As this story continues to develop, new information may emerge. We encourage everyone to stay informed through credible reporting and official update while remaining respectful to those who hold different opinions. Healthy debate is valuable when it's based on fact and on mutual respect. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What do you think about demonstration at Crossroad? Do you believe it reflects broader public concern? What issue do you think deserve to be greatest attention from Jamaican leaders? Share your thought in the comment below, but please keep the conversation respectful and constructive. If you found today's video informative and want more conversation of major events affecting Jamaica and the Caribbean, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate every view who watches, comment, support this channel. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, take care for one another, and I'll see you in the next video.
Alright, how you want me to give up all? You want me to give up all the case? You want me to give up all the case?
My associate club members, me and my associate club members.
Over.
Can you turn here? You can hear? You can hear now? Alright, sorry. My name is Kay Osborne. I am the head cook and bottle washer who decided with me and my followers that things can't run so. Things cannot run so. Things cannot run so. Because they're not. It must stop. Jamaica is going in a direction that is wrong. The direction is wrong. Secret deals are being made without our understanding and what based on the information that we have. It's not good for us. The only thing is good for us is worries. Security risk. The Minister of Justice has said no monitoring number one that people will let go for room in a Jamaica like this and then never get monitored. What you mean? Them send our diaspora people send over $1 billion. When Minister
All right, darling.
Take care of him, please.
Why are they hoarding the money? Our people are suffering. 8 months. Hurricane coming again. Hurricane coming again. Another time. We don't know when. People still out the door. Over $1 billion. The diaspora people, our people. Out of love for this country. And some of them were here. Listen, let me cool. Sometimes, let me tell you something. I live in Chicago. When I cry for the cold, I want to face freedom and bring it up. I'm still a football world. And we help Jamaicans when we're over there and send a billion over 1.4 billion. Come here. Where the money there? The money don't spend. And it cannot be that it's poured up. To run election. It's not that the people in Senate for. You know what it means when you hold on to $1 billion that is poor people money and don't spend it. The money don't care. They say they don't care. Do they care? Do they care? Do they care? Caring smuggling of one soul. A caring government of one soul. A caring government rush out. Rush out when the people are suffering. And the caring government don't give them the beautiful $1.4 billion. We are a democracy. Under our democracy, there are certain, listen to me good, this is important for you to understand. Under our democracy, there are certain institutions, certain organizations that are in the democracy, that is built, that are the foundation for democracy. They're called the pillars of democracy. The Integrity Commission is one of them. Courts is one of them. The justice system is one of them.
Parliament.
So when the Integrity Commission make a ruling, the obligation of the government is to support the ruling of the Integrity Commission. And let me tell you why. Because the Integrity Commission is a law unto itself. When the Integrity Commission make a ruling, they make a ruling and it goes to the DPP. And the DPP decide. And then it goes to the court. And the justice system take over. And our rule of law take over. And at the end it makes a decision. And so when that don't happen, the Prime Minister, the IC, the Integrity Commission can say that somebody in the cabinet, you not get higher than the cabinet, only the Prime Minister higher than the cabinet. And when the IC can say, somebody in the cabinet have $164 million worth of assets that he himself cannot account for, and then give false statement to the Integrity Commission, which is breaking the law. He must be charged criminally. This is what the Integrity Commission says. He must be charged criminally. And what should happen in a democracy is he must step away until the justice system do its thing. Because in our system, you are innocent until found guilty in a court of law. But you must step away. And the Prime Minister, if you do not step away, the Prime Minister must put you away until the justice system can do its business. Instead, what did the Prime Minister do? What did the Prime Minister say? The Prime Minister said, I have confidence in him. Well, the Prime Minister not king. The Prime Minister, we not no king. We don't have no king. We don't have no king. The Prime Minister's word cannot be the last word. We the people say what? A few word that matter. That is why we are here.
As you come to the end of today's discussion, it's important to remember that the future of Jamaica is bigger than any one political party or any one leader. Every generation reaches a point where it reflects on the direction of the country and ask whether its leaders are delivering on their promises. Those conversations are part of a healthy democracy. Many Jamaica have different opinions about Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his government. Some believe his administration has made meaningful progress in the areas such as infrastructure, investment, and economic stability. Others argue that the issues like the cost of living, crime, unemployment, corruption, and access to opportunity remain serious concern. These are legitimate topics for public debate. Whether your political views, one thing most Jamaicans agree on is that the country deserves accountable leadership. Citizens have every right to ask difficult questions, accept transparency, and evaluate whether elected officials are fulfilling promises they made during election campaign. Democracy works best when leaders are held accountable through peaceful civic participation and ballot box. At the same time, it's important to separate facts and rumors. Strong opinions are common in politics, but informed decisions should be based on verified information rather than spectaculars or manipulation. Listen to different viewpoints, even those who disagree with, help strengthen public discussion and encourage better decision making. The future of Jamaica depends not only on political leader, but also on its people. Every citizen can contribute by staying informed, voting, supporting their communities, encouraging young people to participate in civic life, and demanding integrity from everyone who seeks public office. Real change rarely happens overnight. It comes through consistency, public engagement, honest dialogue, and institutions that function fairly. Whether someone believes the current government should continue or believe it is time for new leadership, the most constructive path forward is one that respects democracy process and the rule of law. History shows that the administration is judged by its record. Future generations will look back and evaluate whether the decisions made by today's government improve the lives of the ordinary Jamaicans. This is why public conversation like this matters. They encourage people to think critically about leadership and national priority. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you believe Jamaica is moving in the right direction? What are the biggest challenges facing our country today? What change would you like to see from current or future leaders? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment below. Let's keep this discussion constructive and focused on ideas rather than personal attack. If you enjoyed this analysis and want more balanced discussion on Jamaica politics, Caribbean affairs, and the issue shaping our region, please support the channel by subscribing, turn on notification, and share this video with family and friends. Every like, comment, share help us reach more viewers and continue producing content that encourage information, public decision. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Stay safe, stay informed, keep thinking critically, and remember that one engaged and informed public is one of the most greatest strengths of any democracy. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.